Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Webflow project to a client's account safely, quickly, and without breaking anything. So first things first is to type in search Webflow in your search engine and click on the first link that pops up here. Then you're going to be here in the Webflow dashboard. So first things first, make sure your project plan isn't using a paid side plan. Webflow doesn't allow project transfers if it's already hosted. So if needed, cancel the hosting plan first. And in the Webflow dashboard, hover over to the project settings and click on the three dots to see here the transfer site. And in here, you're going to want to enter the email address linked to the client's Webflow account. Webflow will instantly send them the project transfer request. Next, your client will get an email from Webflow once they accept. The project will be moved to their dashboard and you'll no longer have access unless they re-invite you. And that's it. You've successfully handed off a Webflow project like a pro. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more.